teach you the application of all this palette brush in creating different types of beautiful flowers. We can actually create very beautiful flowers using this kind of palette knife. Usually you get in a set of 5 like this, or maybe in a set of 4. Now let us try to understand how we are going to create flowers using color application with the help of this palette knife. So as you can see, this is little roundish. This knife is little roundish over here. This one is conical. This one is also conical. This is also conical. And this one is also conical. Then what is the difference? The difference is the variation in shape and size. This is a little bit lengthy. Among all the 5, this is the big one. This is majorly used on large canvas to cover more space in a short time. If this is the working space, if this is my working space, I am taking color in this palette knife like this and I am putting it like this, then the process will become very easy with this. But if I take the similar, want to do the same process with the help of this small knife, it is very difficult to cover the entire page. Slowly you have to cover the entire page. Many a times I have to take color on this knife n number of times and then apply the color like this. But here you can take more colors as the area is more over here. This is big in size and application also becomes easy. So while creating flowers also, if you want to create very big flowers, you can take help of this knife. If you want to create very small flower, you can take help of this knife and this knife. If you want to create a medium sized flower, you can take help of this and this. Anything, and the variation, the way you want to create your flower depends absolutely on you. There is no thumb rule for knife painting. Some may create flowers only using this knife and they will not use any other knife, which is absolutely fine. Some may feel just to create flowers with the help of this knife only, which is absolutely fine. So once you watch the entire video, you will come to know how to very diligently use each and every part of your knife to get a beautiful flower. Different types of flower. So let's start with it.
Of all these tools, okay, I am not going to use brush, nothing. Try to understand in palette knife painting what artists do. In a painting, what we do, we take brush, okay, and we take take color from the palette like this and we try to apply it wherever it is required. जैसे भी चाहिए, we try to give different strokes accordingly. The same thing can be done with palette knife also, but the technique is different because palette knife cannot move, it cannot bend from here, right? The brush can bend, your what you say, the tip of the brush, entire area can move like this and like this. It is very flexible, but your palette knife is not flexible. Fine. So that's why it is mostly used to create textures. In texture painting, the main ingredient is palette knife. Try to understand. This is a different style of painting and anybody will be able to do it. कोई भी कर सकता है. Yes, beta? Different shapes, forms, formations, and then accordingly how can you paint a very beautiful scene out of these tools. Fine. So let's start with this one. I'm taking this one. Okay, everybody has this tool. I hope so. This is common to everyone. So what I'll do, I'll take blue color. I'm just taking blue color and I'm putting it over here like this. And I'm nicely taking the color. See, I'm actually taking the color.
Do we need to use all same colors?
No, see, can you see? Lot of color I have taken. Fine, it is not you have to mix like this and just doing like this, you're taking away the colors. Fine, I am taking colors, more colors into my knife. And see now, how I am going to create. I will create a flower. Again I'll take some color. Keep on taking color and keep on adding it. So is it looking like a flower? Did I use any brush in between? I didn't use any brush. Simple this tool. Simply this tool.
Yeah, ma'am,
Okay. I have taken pink acrylic color to make the flower right now. You can see the color, okay? It is just a butter paper. This one is a butter paper. If you don't have a butter paper, you can use any plastic carry bag and you can put the color and use it as a palette, which is absolutely fine. Now what I'll do, I'm taking this knife. This is a different little bit of a diamond kind of a shape it has, okay? As I have already mentioned in my earlier videos, every time while doing a palette knife painting, okay, you have to take the color like this. Take it from here, okay, not like doing like this and take it. See, the color is very less, but when I do in this way, the color is very more. Sufficient color has to be taken. Now I'll also give you some idea. See, I have taken the color and I have not taken the color entirely on my knife. I have just taken to the tip, okay, and let's try to create a flower. So this was the angle. Now I'll keep it over here and I'll press it again like this, okay. Similarly, I'll press it over here. So can you see a flower kind of a thing? 3 petals can be seen and your flower can be ready, made ready. If you don't want a 3 petal flower, okay, it can be done in this way. Be very attentive. If your paper sticks and your angle is getting, see, take care of the angle while doing the thing. Otherwise you'll not get the proper result. And keep taking the color in between every time before doing the petal. So a nice flower is been made. Now this is a normal flower, okay. If I want just a bird kind of a shape, then I can do it in this way. Okay, and then I'll take little bit of green color. I'm taking acrylic, or everything is acrylic. You can take oil paints also if you want, but today I'm giving demo with acrylic colors. It is very important to clean your knife after every application so that it remains smooth and whatever you apply, it has been done properly. So again I will take color directly, the knife, okay. And see, now the angle of my knife is, initially it was like this, now I've changed the angle to like this, and I'm trying to create a so that it looks natural. I'm trying to create a stem of the flower. Isn't it something interesting? I have not used any brush, nothing, but able to create these two types of flower. To make it more realistic, now I'll show you how to merge with different colors. So for that I'm taking yellow over here. I will put yellow over here. No need to add water, as acrylic color is very fluid color. See, I'm taking yellow and I'm putting it over here. If I want to make this also, I can give here also a very nice border and all with yellow, so that it looks beautiful. Try to understand the angle of the palette. It is like this, not like this, as I want a very thin line for my flowers. Properly, so that you will be also able to do it. I am doing it very fast. You do as per your pace. It's not necessary that you have to be very fast. Do it slowly, steadily, and get the desired result. And in the middle, what I'll do, I'll take the color, yellow color. Okay, and I'll see, I'm just putting a drop like this. Okay, when I put a drop, it is giving me this kind of effect. If you don't want a drop, you can do it like this also. You can just merge it with the pink color over here. I'll take a pink color, little bit of pink, and see, I'm putting pink also. One more dot. See. So dot over dot is going to give you this kind of a effect. Now, if I don't want a dot, I can do it in this way, and I can merge it in this way. Even this is also a third type of flower. So you can actually keep doing n number of experiments, and you can get a very nice result. You can actually create your own patterns, your own style of flower, whatever you want. So hope this will help all of you. So after doing the stem over here and here, you can actually do the leaf also with the same knife. If I take the color over here and I put it over here like this, it is looking like a leaf. So you can put leaf also if you want.